talk about money and talk about doing business and would not talk about profit or loss. Before we begin to talk about that, let me tell you a short story titled No More Laughs. This is the experience of 3 bakers. Mrs. Thatcher wanted to try out different bakers for her son's birthday party. So she asked them to bake a cake using 1 fruit flavor each for her son's birthday. Let's see what happens. Meet Opayemi. He makes delicious banana cakes. Wow, I love banana cakes. No one makes better pineapple cakes than Oriyomi. That's interesting. Oworilo is the apple cake king. He makes really yummy cakes too. So we have 3 bakers, Opayemi, Oriyomi, and Oworilo. Let's see what happened. They all bought the ingredients for 800 naira each and charged Mrs. Thatcher 1,000 naira only. Can you tell me some of the ingredients for cake making? Flour, sugar, butter, milk, and eggs, right? So everything put together cost each one of them 800 naira. But they decided to charge Mrs. Thatcher 1,000 naira only. Opayemi delivered the banana cake in good condition. That's amazing, isn't it? He was paid 1,000 naira and was very happy because he had an extra 200 naira for his service. That's good, Mr. Opayemi. Good job. Oriyomi's cake was accidentally smashed. Oh, so the cake wasn't perfect. She was paid 800 naira and was satisfied because she got the exact amount she spent on the ingredients. Wow, that's not bad. However, Oworilo delivered a carrot cake? How? Mrs. Thatcher was angry and only paid him 600 naira. But why would he deliver a carrot cake when he was asked to make an apple cake? Oh, he was sad because he didn't make up to what he had spent. I'm sorry, Mr. Oworilo, but you shouldn't have done that. Who would you rather be? Opayemi? Or Oriyomi? Or Oworilo? Well, these are Yoruba names with meaning. Do you want me to tell you what they mean? Opayemi means to give thanks. Why wouldn't he give thanks if he made an extra money? Oriyomi means narrow escape. Wow. He almost lost some money, isn't it? He only got exactly what he had spent. That was a narrow escape. Oworilo means money has gone away. He bought everything he needed for 800 naira, but got paid 600 naira. He lost 200 naira. That's so bad, isn't it? So I would let you answer in the quiz session. Who would you rather be? Opayemi, Oriyomi, or Oworilo? I'll see you in the next lesson and we'll start calculating profit. Bye-bye.